Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, who is also the chairman of the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, was overseeing the renovation and facelift of various venues in preparation for the upcoming Meghalaya Games 2025. He has been conducting review meetings to receive updates from all line departments, the State Sports Council and contractors involved in the project. The meeting focused on the accommodation and competition venues in Jawai, where work is progressing well. Shilla hoped that all venues will be ready 1 week before the Meghalaya Games begin on January 14, with the official opening ceremony coinciding with Meghalaya Day on January 21, 2025.
Meeting momenta kila yato na kaliang jong engineering wing jong ka State Sports Council kila ong baka kam kaya chikmat chai but ki more or less kila ong ba by ka first week jong new jan bon ki venue ki balan ki bal adapt ki man la IT no te mdai tang kata hadin nang taru ni la lej pat ki jaka ki venue ka beper ban ngili I ka kam kaya chai kum ba ong maki ka meeting te menta hi ki chim kre hi kaya chikmat